And so if I tilt it up, it's going to create a really big area. If we drop it down, tilt it this way, then the area between where the base of the nose is going to come and the top of that lip are going to be smaller. So we're going to be aimed towards keeping it kind of short. Because also as we start to add foam rubber, the opening of the mouth there, that's going to come down, that's going to get thicker so that that apparent distance is going to get a bit longer. So I'm going to probably start it a little smaller than it needs to be, and we can look for ways to pad it out a little bit. But if I do that, I'm going to turn this to the side now. That's going to create, this is sort of the peak of the cheek. That's going to create sort of a really high cheekbone. So I'm going to change this pattern a little bit. So let me take you back to this drawing here.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.